Saving $10,000 in a year might seem like a mountain, but you can climb it. Think of it as a journey, one that requires determination, planning, and a bit of creativity. It's about taking small steps consistently. Each step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. Imagine the possibilities with an extra $10,000 in your pocket. Think about the freedom and opportunities it could bring. You can pay off debt, invest, or finally take that dream vacation. The choices are endless and entirely up to you. This isn't about deprivation. It's about smart choices and financial freedom. It's about making decisions that align with your goals and values. Are you ready? Let's do this. Embrace the challenge and take control of your financial future. It breaks down to just under $200 a week. By setting aside a manageable amount each week, you can achieve your goal without feeling overwhelmed. Sounds more doable, right? Let's explore how to make this happen. With the right strategies and mindset, you can turn this goal into a reality. A budget isn't about restriction, it's about direction. Think of it as your financial GPS, guiding you towards your goals. It tells your money where to go, ensuring every dollar has a purpose. Instead of you wondering where it went, you have control and clarity. Start by listing your income and all your expenses. This is the foundation of your budget. Track every dollar. You'll be amazed at where your money goes. Small expenses can add up quickly. Then, prioritize needs over wants. This helps you focus on what's truly important. Housing, food, utilities come first. These are your essential expenses. Once you have a clear picture, you can find areas to trim. This is where you can make adjustments to save more. Little expenses add up. That daily latte? It might seem harmless, but over weeks and months, it can really dent your budget. Packs a punch on your wallet over time. Imagine saving that money instead. It could go towards something more meaningful. Consider cheaper alternatives. Cook at home more, pack your lunch. Not only is it healthier, but it also saves you a significant amount. Negotiate lower rates on bills. Cut unnecessary subscriptions. These small changes can lead to big savings over time. You'll be surprised how much you can save. Every little bit counts and adds up to a more secure financial future. Remember, it's not about deprivation. It's about being smart. Make conscious choices and watch your savings grow while still enjoying life. Want to hit your goal even faster? Find ways to increase your income. Sell things you don't use. Turn your skills into a side hustle. Drive for a ride-sharing service. Every extra dollar gets you closer to your goal. You got this.